Hey guys, I loved having you here this week. Okay, so last week you did a worksheet in your packet about area and perimeter, and it was with rectangles and squares. So this week you're gonna do kind of the same thing, but only with area. And remember, area is how much is inside your shape. So, look at our whiteboard. It is a rectangle. If we were to measure how much is inside, we wouldn't want to know how long around it is. We want to know how much is covered on the board. That's what we're looking for. That's area. Area is length, and length is another word for how long something is. Length times width. And width is how long something is, and then the width is just the other side of the shape. And I think this is largo por ancho or ancho, something like that. And it's, what is that? That's an X, but it's not an X, it's a multiplication sign. Awesome. Okay, so I have a rectangle. Here's a rectangle, and we're pretending that it's 5 centimeters times 3 centimeters. Well, what is our equation for area? Well, our equation is length times width. Largo por ancho. Okay? Our length is, we said 5 centimeters. So, 5 centimeters times the width is 3 centimeters, which equals all together, what's 5 times 3? 5, 10, 15. 15 centimeters, and then squared. Because inside, if we were to draw out the lines like last time, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters, and 1, 2, 3, 5 times 3, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 squares. So that little number, 15 centimeters squared, is because that's how many squares it took to fill up the space of the area of the rectangle. So the area is the inside of the shape. So if I needed to make a blanket, okay, if I needed to make a blanket, I would need 15 centimeters of fabric of, I don't know how to say fabric in Spanish, but you know, a blanket is made out of something. I would need 15 centimeters to make that blanket. That's why that's important. That number is so important, okay? So area is length times width, and all you have to do is multiply. I want you to show your work and then mark your answer with the square. The little tiny 2 goes in the corner, and that's super important. Okay, good luck on your math.